Hi and welcome to Lesson 5 of Conditional Content for WooCommerce, Advanced Use Cases and Best Practices. In this video, I will show you advanced use cases and best practices for using the WooCommerce Conditional Content plugin. Let's get started. First, let's talk about custom price structure messages. You can display dynamic pricing rules alongside the product description. For example, inform customers about buy one, get one free offers. This helps customers understand the value they are getting. Next, use conditional content for better customer engagement. Encourage bulk purchases with custom messaging like buy more, save more. Provide exclusive discounts to logged-in members. Display cart-based promotions when the order total reaches a set amount. Display cart total-based promotions when the cart total reaches a set amount. Now, let's go over some best practices. Avoid cluttering pages with too many messages. Use clear and action-driven content. Test content on different user roles and cart conditions. Optimize hook placement to ensure content appears in the right location. For example, if you're showing a low stock alert, place it near the product price. Ensure customers see it without feeling overwhelmed. Always test your messages to make sure they appear correctly for different users. And that's it. Now, you know how to use WooCommerce conditional content for advanced use cases and best practices. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.